Hello and welcome. My name is Badruddin Zakaria, and this is our third lesson from Introduction to English Grammar for Beginners. And in our today's lesson, we're going to learn about definite and indefinite article. But before we go on with article, let's answer this question. What are articles? Articles are words placed before a noun to define a noun as specific or unspecific. Here we have two examples. Read a book, read the book. In the first example, read a book. A book, it doesn't matter which book. It can be any book. It's unspecified. While in the second example, read the book. It's been specified. Both the speaker and the listener may know the book. English has two types of articles. Definite articles, the, and indefinite articles are a and an. Notice that the article comes before a noun, and we have defined a noun as a person, place, things, or an idea in our previous lesson. So in this example, we have said, read a book. A book is a noun, and notice that the article placed before the noun written and read. So let's learn more about articles in details. We start with article the, used to indicate a particular person, place, or things in the case of the common noun, and it's called a definite or specified article. And for example, when we want to talk about one name and we don't have much from it, only one of something, for instance, we have one sun, one earth, one moon. The example said, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The earth is round and the moon. This name, we have only one of them, so that we use the article the. Also, we can use it with the president, the king. We have only one king in the kingdom. So furthermore, we also can use the article with river, mountains, ocean, islands, and sea. For example, the River Nile, the Atlantic Ocean, the Alps mountains. In these mountains, we can also use it with the sea, with the islands. For example, West Indies Islands, Bahamas Islands. We can use it with sea, for example, the Mediterranean Sea. And we can use it with a group, for instance, the rich, the poor, the French, the English. We can also use it with a group formed united, like the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, the United States. We can also use an article that with airplane, hotels, and shopping places. For example, the seaside supermarket, the Royal Hotel. So the other two types of articles are a and are called indefinite articles, and they refer to the general idea rather than specific things. For example, an orange, a boy, an apple, a man. Notice that the rule we use with the article a and, it first must be a countable noun, and it's referred to one thing. We will not use it with the plural nouns. You can learn about plural and singular in our previous lesson about singular and plural nouns. And we use a with the word that begins with the consonant sound. For example, we have a boy, a man, started with a consonant sound. While we use a and with a vowel word start with the vowel sound. For example, an orange, an hour, an apple, etc. So let's practice what we have learned. Please fill the blank with the specific articles. First example, the and a. He want to be dash dash an engineer. Second example, the only thing you can take into examination tomorrow is dash dash dictionary. The earth is flat dash dash Pacific Ocean dash day. The first example is he want to be an engineer. The second example, the only things you can take into examination tomorrow is a dictionary. The earth is flat. The Pacific Ocean, a day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have learned something from this video, and wait for our next video.